Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to add text behind objects in DaVinci Resolve. So we have our clip here that we want to add text behind, and we want to add text behind this building. So first we'll duplicate this. We can do so quickly by holding Alt and then dragging it. Let's drag it to 2 tracks above and then add our text plus effect in between the 2 layers. So now let's type something like blue skies. Let's disable this real quick so we can see where it is. So over there, let's increase the size a little. Well, a bunch. Let's increase the size. Make this bold italic. And maybe move it a bit up. There we go. That looks good. So let's re-enable this and let's go into our Fusion tab. In the Fusion tab, press Shift, then space, and then type in polygon. This should create a polygon mask. I like to use polygons for objects like this because there's a lot of straight edges. So now all we have to do is click on the corners of the points of the building very carefully. You can hold middle mouse to drag this window around there like so and finish the mask. Now we gotta make sure it's connected to our media in. And now we can see the background has turned transparent. So if we go back here, we can see that the building is in front of the text. Let's go ahead and add some cropping to the text to make it look a little better. Up the softness about there. Yeah, that looks good. Now if we play it over, we have the text behind the building. But what if you want to do something a little more challenging, say a moving object? So I have another clip here. Gonna unlink this real quick, remove the audio. So this object has motion in it. And to fix that, we'll be doing some tracking. We can do a similar process, but this time we'll be using the color tab, right? So duplicate the layer again. I'll add the text later. Make sure this is highlighted and then go to the color tab. And here we can add an alpha output. Alpha output is something like transparency. Then let's go to our window tab, which is basically just another word for masking. Let's reduce the feather a bit, decrease the size, and zoom in. Adjust the corners a little. And since there's motion, we move 1 tab over to the tracker and we click on this button, track forward and reverse. So this should track and adjust the mask according to the motion of the object. So let's go back to our edit tab. Let's add some text, but this time let's make it say accuracy. So now if we play the video, the mask should be tracking the object fairly well. And that's how to add text behind objects using 2 different methods. I hope you were able to learn and thank you for watching.